Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you how I refreshed our back patio for the spring season. So let's jump right in. Okay friends, so one thing that is so important is that we keep the exterior of our home as beautiful as the interior. And so that's why it's springtime and I want to get out on the back patio, and I encourage you to do the same. And when you do that, look at all of those areas of your home. Your siding, look at your flooring, look at your lawn, and all of those important features that keep the property value up. So I do want to thank my sponsors of this video, James Hardie, because they had me looking at my siding because my house is getting up there in age, and so it was time for us to reevaluate, especially on our back patio here, because we have siding on this whole back wall, and it got me so inspired. And so I'm excited to share them with you today, because if you're in that same kind of place as I and looking at siding for your home and wanting that refresh, then they definitely check James Hardie out. Friends, I will come and share with you my top 3 tips that I found that I love about James Hardie a little bit later and after the makeover. But one thing I do want to say is that I am all about the visual. I love the function, but I have to have that beauty also. So I love the fact that they had the multiple coats of color that are baked onto this hard board, and it's really a brilliant finish, and they have the strong bond, so I have that function that will resist chipping and peeling and cracking and fading for years. So that is so key. But now let's get into that makeover of my empty patio. I gave my old set, which I had for 10 years away, to a family member, along with, I did give them this rug also because the color was a little off and I wanted to give do a refresh with that also. So friends, I am totally in love with my new set. It's more comfortable for Mike and I. The last one, it didn't have a cushion on the back, and we're a little older now. We really wanted that comfort level along with larger seats. I love that it's that crisp white that I love, and that's the new rug. It's just a very kind of natural neutral. And one tip I want to give you is when you get a new outdoor rug and you want to get all of the wrinkles out, wet it. As you can see, we kind of sprayed it down so that we can get all the wrinkles so that when it dries, it'll be fine. Along with, I wanted something that would pick up on our ceiling fan, so I love that. I also fell in love with these nesting tables that I recently got from Tuesday Morning and also at home, and they're perfect for this area, along with these gorgeous pillows that really picked up on the chairs and the sofa. They really were a perfect match, so I love that about them. And then they weren't overdone. They brought a little bit of design in there without being too much, because I had a lot of just solid colors, so I needed to break it up with something, and this was just the perfect touch. You all know I love putting lamps out here because we do have plugs out here, and then having some type of entertainment. And of course I had to pick up some more blue. I always have my little blue set for entertaining outdoors, and I found these cute little mugs in Tuesday Morning also, and I thought they were just perfect. And then I did do some planting. You guys know I'm always trying to plant something. Not always successful, but I do always give it a try. So it was so much fun putting these touches of blue out. You all know I'm very neutral with my house, but when it comes to my patio, I've always been that blue and green girl. And this year I stayed away from the green with the pillows and things, and I brought the green in with my plants. So you'll see I'll keep a very neutral palette as far as the whites and the blues with the furniture and accessories, and then give that punch of green with the plants. And I really love the feel. I feel that it's just very simple and clean and comfortable. So friends, now I really can get a visual on the colors that I want to see on my house because I know what I like. And here are 3 of my top tips that I love about James Hardie. They have curated a variety of different colors and styles and textures and sizes. They have that performance measure as far as the climate and the weather, because it gets very hot here. I know some of you live in climates that are very cold, and I love that their product will withstand those types of kind of weather. So another thing that is key for me is a company that stands behind their product. They have a 100% guarantee for 30 years. That is so important for me. Their Color Plus technology is a 15-year warranty, so definitely you always want to stick with that company that is going to stand behind their product. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing me on my patio journey. Mike and I hope to be out here by next week. It's still a little too chilly, but we are happy that we knocked this project out of the way. I hope that you can also get inspired and check out James Hardy. They have an inspirational guide. I'll put the link below that you can definitely check out. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you, and if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of my At Home with Nikki family. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.